Hi, this is Charlie Price. I want to talk to you about one of my favorite tools in the Chapter 13 process for dealing with foreclosure cases. It's called Mortgage Modification Mediation. You are very lucky because in Orlando, there was a project that was created right here. It was a pilot program for people that had problems with their mortgages. And really, the judges and the attorneys, creditor and debtor attorneys, got together and said, hey, we need to focus on these mortgages because they're really killing the process. And so in Orlando, they created this project called the Mortgage Modification Mediation, and which means that you actually mediate through the bankruptcy process. Again, only place in the country you could do it until just very recently. Now, Tampa, Jacksonville, Miami, some places out of state have actually copied the Orlando program. It's a wonderful program because the judges think of it as their program. Some of the mortgage companies tried to jerk attorneys around, and the judges said, you know what, you're not going to jerk me around in my program, I'm striking your mortgage. And they actually got rid of their mortgages because they weren't doing what they were supposed to do in the mediation process. So it gives us some very powerful tools to work with. If the mortgage company jerks us around in mediation in the bankruptcy court, we just file a motion for sanctions. And about 30 seconds later, because we file the thing electronically, I've got an attorney on the phone saying, hey, buddy, we don't need to do that. Let's not get the judge involved. Let's work it out. If I do that in state court, or if I do that in just a regular modification, no one cares, and they're not going to do anything. So the bankruptcy process is very powerful because of the enforcement of the judges. So, sometimes we'll file for no other reason, no other debt, just to take advantage of the bankruptcy mortgage modification mediation process. We'll talk more about that tomorrow.